Ever wondered why your energy bills seem to spike after doing laundry? It's time to talk about a game-changing secret: clean dryer ducts. Hey there, fellow homeowners. Your laundry room is probably your second home, but don't forget about the hidden heroes, your dryer ducts. When those ducts get clogged with lint and debris, they can block airflow, making your dryer work overtime, which means higher energy bills and even fire hazards. Yes, you heard that right. Lint is highly flammable, and neglected ducts can lead to house fires. When you keep your dryer ducts clean, your dryer can breathe easy and work efficiently, cutting down drying times and transforming your laundry routine. You'll save money, extend your dryer's lifespan, and most importantly, get to enjoy life more. Whether you tackle it yourself or call in the pros, make dryer duct cleaning a priority. It's a small effort for huge savings and peace of mind. So what are you waiting for? Inspect those ducts today.